Quench your thirst in style with this super easy watermelon whip. It's the perfect healthy alternative to cool you down on a hot summer day with only 3 whole food ingredients. Frozen watermelon creates a slushy base, coconut milk complements the flavor while giving it a creamy texture, and strawberries add extra flavor and texture to this. So guys, get ready to fall in love. Hello foodies, my name is Ishwari and I'm delighted you are back at the Smoothies Bar. Today I have a pleasant treat for you, a watermelon whip. You will only need a frozen watermelon, frozen strawberries and frozen coconut milk cubes. Choosing a watermelon might be challenging sometimes. When it comes to obtaining the most sweet and crisp melon, there are several aspects to consider. Look for a consistent shape. Watermelon that is delicious and ripe should be heavy for its size. I guess this one is quite heavy for its size. This typically indicates that it is full of water and hence juicer. Look for a yellow spot on the watermelon and avoid those with the white spot. You need to tap the watermelon with your hand or fist. I'll try this. This one has a deep sound, whilst the overripe ones will have hollow or flat sound. The tail of the watermelon has a portion of stem that stays attached after harvesting. A watermelon with a dry stem is normally ripe. In India, you get the finest watermelons during March, April, May and June.
Today we are making a refreshing watermelon whip. I'll start by cutting this watermelon and scoop some watermelon balls for topping. This luscious watermelon may provide a variety of health advantages, including a decreased blood sugar, greater insulin sensitivity and lesser muscular pain. Now scoop out the entire watermelon flesh from this half watermelon and we will use it as a bowl for serving. Nicely done. Now keep this aside and freeze the remaining one. When I have an oversized watermelon, I usually cut it up and freeze the pieces on a tray in the freezer. It usually is a good idea to keep a few frozen watermelon cubes on hand for smoothies. Now to freeze the fresh watermelon, cut it into little cubes and arrange them on a baking sheet. I'll de-seed these watermelon cubes before freezing them. Make certain that the components are not touching each other. Freeze the baking sheet for a few hours or until the watermelon is firm to touch. Now blend coconut milk cubes, frozen strawberries and frozen watermelon cubes. We'll blend it in a high-powered blender until smooth and creamy. If you need more sweetness, add 1 tablespoon of honey or maple syrup. Oh, do you see this texture? It is so thick. This can be achieved by frozen fruit or adding ice to this. Wow, I'm loving it. I'll garnish with some choco chips. It will give you a better feel of a fresh watermelon.
Let me know if you try this recipe. Please leave a remark in the comment box. I can't wait to see what you come up with. Also, if you have liked this video, please make sure to like, share, subscribe. Also hit the bell icon so that you get the notifications of all my videos. I have mentioned all the details in the description box. In my previous video, I have also shown how I have made coconut milk from scratch and converted them into coconut milk ice cubes. Also, let me know in the comment box if you would like to see your favorite fruit recipe. I would be delighted to craft one for you. Hope to see you soon. Eat clean.